Have you ever wanted to live in a condo but you were worried about your neighbor tap dancing in the middle of the night? We have the home for you.
Diving in a summer blue, your loving is so hypnotic. Ooh, sweat so hot when I shock my body. Come on, come.
Top floor living at 1907B Villa Ridge Drive in Reston. We have hardwood flooring, wood burning fireplace, and vaulted ceiling. Just right off your dining room is your beautifully remodeled kitchen with white cabinets, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and an undermount sink.
Come on, come alive. If you want a good time, you got me.
Check out the hidden washer and dryer storage area. You will love the primary suite with fresh paint, tall ceilings, hardwood flooring. You have a very open walk-in closet along with your own primary ensuite. Please reach out to the Nellis Group so you can see this beautiful home in person.
Falling like a domino.